You know, just about every evening after work, I come and I hike this mountain. It's not far from where I live. It's about a 4-mile round trip. And it's a hard trip. It's pretty much uphill the entire way. This was one of those days, about a third of the way up, I thought, you know, I'm just feeling tired. I don't want to do it. I'm just going to go home. But no, I kept going. And the more I kept going uphill, I noticed I started feeling better and feeling stronger. And when I got to the top of the mountain, I felt fully energized and was again blessed with these amazing views. That's kind of how grief is. It's a constant uphill journey. And there are many times we just want to give up. But I have found that if we keep trying, no matter how hard it is, keep putting that one foot in front of the other, we will get stronger. And over time, every now and then, we'll find some joy. Think about that.